Hi guys, welcome to my channel, Domo's Creations and More. Today I am excited to share with you my Peaches and Cream Delight Studio 28e design team project for the month of July 2020. I used this kit to make this journal, but the first thing I made was a little card that I used one of the images. I put it in a pre-made little card that I had. Took some of this beautiful lace and I put that around there. This came part of the kit, and this, and then I put some cheesecloth, and this will be used to write the note to the recipient of this little journal. So I made this journal. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6.5 long by 1, 2, 3, 4 by 4 inches wide, and this is the front of it. I put some beautiful lace, and then that sparkly yarn from Dollar Tree, the beautiful image from the kit. This is the front, this is the spine, and this is the back. Here I didn't put the sparkly little yarn around it, I just put the lace and then the image. It's closed by beautiful seam binding, and it is a journal made out of envelopes. And so you open it, this is what you get. I put this beautiful image from the kit, some more of that lace. This came with the kit. Some lovely little trim up there. I put, this is part of the kit. I cut out this from one of the pages. Here what I did was I took a piece of lace and then I used my distress ink. So it would be the white, because I printed on white printer paper, so it wouldn't be so white. I took that piece of lace and put the distress ink, and then I put some stamping on there. This is some tea-dyed paper. This one came from the kit. It's just beautiful, beautiful peach colors. And then this was an envelope from the kit. Put some seam binding and then some lace on top of that. A journaling card from the kit. So I just put it in there. Some more of that stamping with that lace to give it some texture. This was part of one of the pages, but I used it as a doily to do a tuck spot. This is a beautiful image from the kit. And again, I did some more of that stenciling. There we go. And this was part of the kit. And this was just a piece of paper that I did. And this was part of the kit. And I cut it because I liked the way it looked on the side. If you notice, I put some glitter glue. And I think it just has a lovely little sheen to it. This is one of the envelopes. It's actually a pocket. And I made a journaling card. I put this from the kit. And then this one says notes. And I have her peeking out there. Beautiful papers. Some more writing paper. I put some trim up here. More of that stenciling. Look at the detail. I think it's beautiful. Oh, no wonder. Sorry. I forgot. I was like, why is this so dark? I forgot to change my light. There we go. Another one of those angel journaling cards that I made. Another thing of the doily. It was from one of the pages, journaling pages, but since I used it in this size, I had to cut some stuff down. Beautiful tag. Some more of that stenciling. Oops. Look at this one. Beautiful. I put some trim down here. Oops. Arden, that was my printer. Another envelope. Some more trim, lace trim. This came from the kit. A journaling card. I cut this off from something from the kit. A little doily. This has a little tuck spot in case the recipient wants to put something in there. more of that stenciling. Let's see if I'll pick it up. There we go. It's just to give texture to the page. You know what? Oh, that's why I put it this way, because of the image. Excuse me, some more of that trim, and then something I cut out. Another little girl that was, or I think it's a little girl, maybe it's not, but it came from the kit. It's beautiful. My thinking behind making the little envelope a journal was, you know, you could tie it up, put it in your purse, and I think it makes a cute little project. I mean, a cute little gift for Happy Mail. Again, I use Peaches and Cream Delight from Studio28e on Etsy. And this is my design team project for the month of July. Hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions or if you'd like to purchase a journal, you can just leave me a comment below or email me. My email is in my About section on my here on my YouTube channel. Thank you for stopping by. Hope you have a great day. Bye. Happy crafting.